a short presentation, sort of a tribute to our teachers, our mentors. As a recognition na kung hindi dahil sa kanila, we would not be where we are today. So lahat naman ng ating natutunan ay sa kanila natin natutunan. And in fact, I firmly believe personally that the best foundation of my education I got elementary and high school today. So ito ay pasasalamat natin. Tatawagin po natin si Sonia at si Ver, yung ating mga batchmate na mag-asawa. Sonia and Ver Lawson, to pay tribute to our teachers.
The NDD High School Batch 73 would like to present this certificate of appreciation to our teachers. 'To our teachers in sincere and grateful recognition that to Ma'am Pe Cardino, in sincere and grateful recognition that she richly deserved for her devotion in teaching us and touching our lives forever. Our lives today are a tangible testament to the quality of education that Notre Dame and our mentors had given us. Given this 27th day of July 2008, on the occasion of the 35th Grand Reunion of the Notre Dame of the Jangas Batch 1973 in General Santos City, signed by Danilo C. Sanchez, Chairman, NDDU High School Boys, and Nelia de Guzman Soriano, Chairman, NDGSC for Girls. May I call on Ma'am Pe Cardino to receive this certificate of appreciation. Ma'am Delma Fernandez. Ma'am Lourdes Valencia. Let's give them a round of applause as our way of saying thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much, Mom and Sir. We wish you also success in your endeavors.
Okay, one last time.
Hey, of course, may we also request Ma'am Virginia Rebucan to our mentors on the
Represent the
stage.
badge. Dan, Bebot, and Nelia to represent the badge.
Hello.